Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro with us and I'll show you how to change the ringtone or set a custom ringtone easily. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any update. So let's dive right in.